Welcome back. What a beautiful day. I've been at work for the last 6 days. I finally got a day off. I almost wasn't gonna come, but I said no. A body in motion stays in motion. So let's roll. Look at this. We're just starting the trail at the Switzer picnic area, and look at this beautiful water hole. I mean, dude. This is nice. This hike is pretty chill too. Look at the hiking trail right there. It's a big open road. And if you like water hikes and if you're a water sign, you'll really like this hike. Sometimes it is good to fantasize and pretend, especially when the real world sucks. But anyways, look how the sun just reflects on all that water. It's just beautiful. Let's keep admiring this for a little bit and then we'll move on. So there's the trail. The water's coming from back over here. And we're gonna keep on going. Let's roll. Dude, I really woke up feeling like I don't even want to move. But being out here is invigorating me. It's actually cool. I'm excited. And the earth gives you power, bro. And I want more. More! Dude, I'm getting a magical overload here. This is too much magic and beauty. Wow. I think it's dead, but that's the so-called centipede or millipede or one of the pedes, right? And look at this other water hole right here. Magical, just magical. Dude. This spot has so many little water holes, like countless, one after another after another. Dude, check this out on your next day off. I recommend it, Switzer Canyon. I mean, look, it's a little cold early in the morning, but afterwards, the water's fine. Before I go, I just wanted to add that there's a less maintained trail right there that will take you to another waterfall, but I'll show you because you can see it from this side as you go up. Moving on up to the penthouse in the sky. Wow, our first view of the mountains. We were down there in this canyon in this magical waterland, and now we're out here where the sun is beating down. It's hot, but it's nice. That's the view of the falls. So if we would have went through that other trail, we would have ended up over there in that dark patch. That's like a pool of water. But what I'm gonna do is just go this way and see the mountains, and I'll decide if I go down there or not in a second. I probably won't. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty lazy. I hate this part of the trail because if you go over that ledge, you're going straight down into the mysterious beyond. So whatever you do, you don't want to fall in this part of the trail. And that goes for this whole stretch too. Ooh, pretty. Girl, I like your nails. They look nice. So we're back at the bottom of the canyon. Switzer Falls is over there, but I just want to show you, here's the beginning to Bear Canyon. And it's called that way because no one will hear you scream out here. And number two, this is the perfect place for an alien to abduct you. But anyways, we're gonna keep going. The person up there, you can see them, and people are right here sunbathing. But this is the falls. I love it. Beautiful. Look at the water. It's just so clear and everything. Hi. This is the perfect springtime hike. I totally recommend it. And if you can make it out here yourself, well, thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next adventure. And remember, I love each and every one of you.